What's up, family? You see these doors behind me? There are doors in your life right now. Some of you are praying with open. Some of you are begging God not to close, but hear me. God, He's the ultimate doorkeeper. Revelations chapter 3 says, what He opens, no one can shut. And what He shuts, no one can open. Some doors are closed because they were not sent by God. Some relationships end because they would have destroyed your calling. Some jobs has fallen apart because God is protecting your future. So today, stop crying over doors that God's closed. God shut it, it was mercy. If God blocked it, it was love. And when God opened doors, you don't have to force it. You don't have to beg people for it. When God opened doors, it is favor. When it opens with peace, it opens right at the right time. The enemy opens doors too to trap you. But God opens doors to transform you. Second Corinthians says, when a door was open for me in the Lord, that means God create opportunities that no one can take credit for. If you're standing in a halfway or waiting right now, do not panic. God is lining up things. The same God who closed the wrong doors is about to open the right ones. Trust Him. Walk in obedience, and when the door open, walk through it. Because what God is opening in this season is bigger than what we lost last one. I love you all. God bless you.